This is Adam Hahn, your Explode My Business coach. I just wanted to point you in the direction of this this resource that I came across recently online. One of the big concerns for people in their network marketing business is leads, because without leads, leads are the lifeblood of our business. Without leads, we have no more business. We have a business that's stagnant or it falls backwards. And with the new leads, it helps us develop more customers. It helps us develop more business owners and build a network of people so we can increase our own income and our team's income as well. And what happens is a lot of people that they're doing it the traditional way. They're either not getting the leads through the traditional methods of prospecting, or you're buying leads online. And there are companies that'll sell you leads for $3, $4, $5 per lead. And that sounds really, really good when you've been walking around the mall for 4 hours and you haven't talked to anybody yet. $5, per hour for 5 hours. That's, 5 leads that you could have made right there. But you'd rather much pay $25 for those 5 leads and not spend the time at the mall and just be able to pick up the phone and call them, right? Sounds like a great deal if you're paying $5 a lead. What the problem is, if you don't know how to convert those leads into customers or convert those leads into business owners, now you're just wasting money and you're losing money. And what people do is they buy hundreds and hundreds of leads every single month. They burn through that entire list, and now in order to get more leads, they now need to go and purchase more leads. And this is a very quick way to go broke in your network marketing business. What does Building on a Budget do? This course right here gives you a roadmap to be able to create free or very inexpensive leads through your own sources without having to buy the leads from the MLM lead companies. This is the information that lead companies don't want you to know, because they can get a lead for 50 cents a lead and then charge you $3 or $4 or $5 for it. This cuts out the middleman. It puts those leads directly into your pockets, so they're your exclusive leads. They're targeted to your company and your market, and they specifically want to get in not just your business, or specifically in your company's business, but specifically into your business. And that is powerful. Now, I can't go over any of the concepts in this as far as the specifics. One thing I will tell you though, let's say even if you're using free or inexpensive methods to be able to generate leads, one of the concepts that Mike Dillard goes over in this course is what's called a funded proposal concept. And if you're not using a funded proposal concept, or you don't know what it is, it allows you to pay for all your leads for free before you even sponsor just a single distributor. You don't even have to sponsor a person in your organization to be able to make money online with this funded proposal concept. And if you want some more free information on this, visit the links next to the video here. There's explodemybusiness.com and then explodemybusiness.com/magnetic.html, which goes over magnetic sponsoring. It goes over building on a budget. There's a bunch of different resources that I can give you for free, so you can learn really how to develop these free leads. So check out explodemybusiness.com. Check out the Building on a Budget course. Explode your business online, make some money, explode your organizations, and profit beyond belief, guys. That's what it's all about. Adam Holland signing off, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.